Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the prompter tool on CapCut. Super simple. You're just going to select the camera button or the prompter button here, and you're just going to select it. Here you can select the pencil button to change the text. It says, "Hi, I'm CapCut Teleprompter. I can help you remember all your lines. This feature supports editing text and supports adjusting speed of the lines, font size, and font color. You can also move the text window anywhere on the screen, adjust speed and text font to your own method, and try recording videos while reading the text at the same time. Get started now. Clear all and paste the text you want to add. I'm just going to type in hello and press done." Here I can move this around by selecting this cursor. And if I select this gear icon, which is the settings, I can adjust the speed and also the size of the font. I can also change the font color as well. If you can't read the font as well, you can do that, change the color. I don't know why it's lagging, but that's basically it. If you want to select it, just go to your camera and select this button again, and select this icon to change the color. I think it worked before, but it's just a little bit laggy. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!